The sun suddenly started sneezing. Each sneeze burst out like a massive explosion of fire. Huge waves of blazing heat shot outward in all directions. The planets began to run in all directions. Floating peacefully in space, AumSum observed the chaos being caused by the sun's fiery sneezes. As AumSum moved closer to investigate, a powerful cosmic energy surged through his body. Incredibly, AumSum discovered that he could now create strong, glowing protective shields. Without wasting time, AumSum moved closer to the sun. Just as another massive sneeze burst outward, he created a huge glowing shield in front of it. The fiery blast hit the shield and stopped, but the sneezes kept coming. AumSum quickly created more shields, placing them in different directions. Each time the sun sneezed, the shields blocked the bursts, protecting the planets from the dangerous heat and force. Everyone cheered loudly for their hero AumSum. The giant planet Jupiter suddenly began glowing brighter and brighter, until it finally burst into light and turned into a blazing hot star. Jupiter, now a fierce star, started releasing powerful bursts of heat. The nearby planets trembled under the rising temperatures. Even distant planets could feel the warmth creeping closer. Floating calmly among the stars, AumSum noticed the heat spreading everywhere. As AumSum moved closer, a powerful cosmic energy surged through his body. Incredibly, AumSum discovered that he had gained the cosmic power to freeze anything in space. With calm determination, AumSum moved toward the blazing Jupiter and raised his hands. From his hands, powerful waves of extreme cold surged forward. The cold waves started firmly surrounding the blazing Jupiter. Slowly, Jupiter's raging heat began to settle. The brightness softened. As the cooling continued, Jupiter finally returned back to his old self. Everyone cheered loudly for their hero AumSum. The silver moon started growing. It kept growing until it became larger than the blazing sun itself. It now started blasting bright beams of reflected light in all directions. These beams shot across the solar system like wild flashes. Planets were suddenly overwhelmed. Floating calmly among the stars, AumSum noticed the unusual bursts of light flashing across space. As AumSum moved closer to investigate, a powerful cosmic energy surged through his body. Incredibly, AumSum discovered that he could now absorb and control light itself. AumSum moved closer to the massive moon, raised his hands and began absorbing the scattered beams of light. AumSum then focused and redirected the absorbed light back toward the moon. In a controlled way, the energy pressed against the moon's surface, reducing its overwhelming brightness and slowly shrinking its size. The moon finally shrank back to its original size. Everyone cheered loudly for their hero, AumSum. The solar system suddenly turned into chaos. Saturn, the beautiful ringed giant, slowly drifted off its usual path and headed toward the sun. Then the impossible happened. Saturn crashed into the sun. Saturn's beautiful rings instantly vaporized and blasted outward. Huge glowing debris shot outward from the sun in every direction like cosmic fireworks. The planets watched in fear as the fiery debris started moving towards them. Floating peacefully among the distant stars, AumSum noticed the dangerous storm spreading through the solar system. As AumSum drifted closer, a powerful cosmic energy surged through his body. Incredibly, AumSum discovered that he could create enormous glowing shields. AumSum immediately formed a gigantic glowing shield. When the fiery debris struck the glowing barrier, they slowed down. AumSum quickly moved across the solar system, placing glowing shields in the paths of the flying debris. The danger was finally over. Everyone cheered loudly for their hero, AumSum. The tiny icy world Pluto suddenly started growing. It grew so enormous that it became even bigger than the sun itself. waves of extreme cold began spreading outward from Pluto into space. Planets began to shiver. Floating quietly in space, AumSum noticed the extreme cold spreading. As AumSum moved closer to investigate, a powerful cosmic energy surged through his body. Incredibly, AumSum discovered that he could now generate powerful heat waves. Without wasting any time, AumSum moved closer to the gigantic Pluto. He raised his hands, and waves of warmth flowed outward, meeting Pluto's icy force. Pluto's freezing waves continued to spread, trying to overpower the warmth, but AumSum stayed calm and focused. He increased the intensity of his heat, sending stronger and more controlled waves toward Pluto. Slowly, the outer layers started melting. As the warmth spread further, Pluto started shrinking. Everyone cheered loudly for their hero AumSum. The beautiful blue Earth suddenly started to stretch. In no time, Earth transformed into a gigantic gas giant, just like Jupiter. The newly formed giant Earth began to pull everything around it with its immense gravity. Nearby planets, Venus and Mars, trembled as they felt the strong pull. Floating nearby, AumSum watched as Mars and Venus got sucked towards the giant Earth. As AumSum moved closer, a powerful cosmic energy surged through his body. Incredibly, AumSum discovered that his arms had become gigantic and incredibly strong. Without wasting time, AumSum extended his enormous arms. One arm reached toward Mars, and the other stretched towards Venus, holding both of them in place. With great determination, AumSum then stretched both his gigantic arms around the massive Earth. Slowly, carefully, AumSum began to squeeze. Bit by bit, the giant gas planet transformed back into its familiar blue shape. Everyone cheered loudly for their hero, AumSum.